Hey guys, it's been a while since I created a video. Just thought I would do that really quick before the end of the semester. If you guys are missing any assignments, remember you have till this Friday, May 8th at 11:30 p.m. to get those into me. Obviously, the projects are worth more than the lessons are, so if you don't have your projects done, then that's going to really affect your grade in here. So I would focus on getting that into me by May 8th. Also, if you have a problem with your grade in here, pass fail is something that you should consider. Pass fail will not affect your GPA. So if you have a pretty good GPA and you just don't want to mess it up with one bad grade, pass fail is an option for you. But grades will go out as normal. So the grade that you have in the grade book currently will go out. And then there's going to be a form that you're going to have to fill out and email into the registrar to receive a pass-fail grade. And I will be posting that by this Friday, that form and the information that you need in order to try and get that pass-fail grade, if that's what you want instead of your current grade that you have. So if you have like a C and you normally are a B or an A student, I would suggest going ahead and getting the pass-fail grade. So just be checking for that announcement coming on this Friday. I will try to send out an email to you guys too, just giving you the form, attach that to the email and kind of some instructions. And I think there's an actual like date by which you have to get that in. I'm not sure exactly what date it is, but I will let you know Friday what the date is that you'll need to get that into the registrar, get that form into the registrar so that you can receive your pass-fail grade if you want to go that route. Obviously, it's finals week. We don't have any further assignments for the rest of the semester. Just getting the project, the word illustration project to me is a really good one to get in if you don't have it in. Also, lessons are always good to get in as well, obviously. So that's basically what made up the majority of this class. So if you want to get those into me by May 8th, 11:30 p.m., I will be checking the grade book daily to see if you guys are uploading new files. Also, registration for fall. If you guys need help with registration, I've been trying to get a hold of most of you. Something I should have taken care of before spring break, but I was expecting to be able to do so after spring break. But since this happened, it kind of put a halt to that. So we're kind of trying to play catch up here over email. If you guys want to come into my office and talk to me about stuff and you're in town, I've been in Pershing every day for at least 3 or 4 hours a day. So if you want to meet in person, if that works better for you, we can do that. Or if you'd rather just communicate by email, or you can send me a text to my phone. We can set up an appointment, or just if you have any questions, I can answer them. My number is 406-390-2435. So if you want to get registered or you have questions about your grade or questions about anything, just let me know. But anyway, I hope to see you guys in the fall. Hopefully we don't have to go online again. But, you know, they're predicting that could definitely happen again. So luckily we're in a major, this is a, you know, graphic design is something that can be done online, luckily. We use computers really heavily. We can learn the software online. It's not my favorite way to teach it. I like to see you guys in person, along with the help of the Brightspace shell. I don't like to be completely dependent on the Brightspace shell, but we got to do what we got to do. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good summer, and just let me know if you need anything. Just text my cell if you need anything, 390-2435. It's a 406 area code. Okay, we'll talk to you soon.